Brighton finished 8th, played champagne football on a lemonade budget, and defended like seagulls guarding a picnic. This is Banter Ball TV. I'm Dan Temby. They scored 66, conceded 59, and played like they were passing for Instagram reels, not points. Sucella's tactics were sharp, his haircut sharper. But at 31, he's younger than Welbeck's knees. Pedro hit screamers, Mitoma dribbled past people like wet traffic cones, and Van Hecker patched the back line together with string and stubbornness. Like, follow and tag a Brighton fan who called it magical. Then ask if they mean the football or the disappearing act in March.